Hi everyone, these are the type of latches I bought. I thought I might use these latches on some of the other doors that I've got in my boat. So I wanted to use a CNC router, which I haven't used that often, so I can pump them out fast and really accurate. I do plenty of practice runs with it because I am not familiar with any of this stuff, and I suck at Fusion 360. Every time I forget how crap I am at it, and it's just nothing but frustrating to me because I think they need to employ some normal people to show the smart people that do the programming where to put the buttons for the normal people, because I press all the wrong buttons and it takes me ages.
That's a bit thin, I think. This is why I did a dummy one first. That just clicks in like that. And then I'm going to make a plate that goes over here. So this goes down. And this finished. I stuffed it up. It needs to be curved. So I just changed it.
And made it more bubbly.
That's what it's going to look like. And that's the slice program. And there's the printer. It's really important that I get the workpiece in the right position, because I'm completely relying on my little mark there, and then I look over here to make sure that when I'm here, that's the center line where that will go. The outside of that circle needs to be over there.
I haven't found a way to tell the router to start after it's finished spooling all the way up yet. But it looks flash when it's done. I use a plasma cutter to cut out the square to put here. I use a CNC to recess the hinges as well. But I got to route it out manually on the boat though. I use this bit to dig out the recess that the latch clicks into.
This is my first one. So there's a few things I learnt on that. But I think it looks nicer having the hinges flush. And they're white as well, so that makes them blend in better. This Ozito battery vacuum is awesome, cheap. It's like 60 or 70 bucks just for the skin, and then 180 for that, for the battery and 2 batteries and a charger. But yeah, I've started to go Ozito with a lot of stuff. Just stuff that's not that important, like tire pumper uppers and what else? A heat gun, like a cordless heat gun, because they're just so cheap. Highly recommend it. I don't know if I'd recommend these mullet DeWalt batteries you get from eBay. The power's good, but they're delicate. They're really delicate. I made these a little bit thicker because I'm going to put some self-tappers through here and then into the corner. and I want it to have some meat. It didn't even go through. It bloody missed it. Just putting some gel coat over it. I've already put some release agent on. Man, I am not having luck with this power sprit thing. I think I don't know, two coats I did real thick. I thought it was wet enough. I guess I should have waited longer between coats. What do you reckon? This is how many times it took me to get a good printout. I actually ran out of grey filament, so I made this one out of black. And I just want you to see how many times I stuff things up before I get it right. This will be the third time I will have tried getting this bow sprit to work. This thing's a thing that I just do on the side. What I think was wrong was I sprayed straight over the bodgy super cheap top coat paint, and I thought, especially because it went on all right over the bodgy paint, even if it didn't adhere to that bodgy paint well, that would help me release it. But that wasn't the case. I don't know if the polyester reacted with the polyurethane 2-pack or or something underneath. It looks like it's going straight to the primer. This is where I'm up to now. So I was, what do you guys reckon of me gluing this on with Sikaflex and not even doing anything with this? It looks pretty nice as it is. I know it's a complete wrong color, but it's hidden behind here anyway, and it'll match the black carpet that I have here and in other spots. But I put the latches in these doors while I could remember how to use the CNC router, because I'm still waiting on the hinges. And that's all I have to do with this, is put some hinges on and put the screws in for this panel and this panel. I got to change them out. They're steel. I need to change them to stainless steel screws. Everything's so much easier when it's laying down like this. Imagine trying to route over your head and fiddle around holding this up. Gravity's doing all the work here. But yeah. The other thing is I just did another skim coat of epoxy resin with Q-Cell and aerosol, just because before I flip it, I want to give this a nice sand and fair this edge. While it's really easy, it's easier than doing that. Anyway, that's just this short one. I'll try to do lots of short ones like this. Let me know if you prefer it.
sticky time. I don't have to wear it. I'm really wear it. That's my makeup.
Okay, that's good.
That one?
This one.
That one?